सदगुरु ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ,
सदगुरु ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ।
जीवन आत्मा
जीवन आत्मा
आनंद अविनाशी,
आनंद अविनाशी।
चरणन शरण लगाओ,
चरण शरण लगाओ।
सदगुरु ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ,
सदगुरु ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ।
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ,
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ।
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ।
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाओ।
त्वमेव माता
त्वमेव माता
पिता त्वमेव,
पिता त्वमेव,
त्वमेव बन्धुश्च
त्वमेव बन्धुश्च,
सखा त्वमेव,
सखा त्वमेव,
त्वमेव विद्या
त्वमेव विद्या,
द्रविणं त्वमेव,
द्रविणं त्वमेव,
त्वमेव देव
त्वमेव देव,
मम देवदेव,
मम देवदेव।
कायेन वाचा
कायेन वाचा
मनसेन्द्रिया
मनसेन्द्रिया
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा
प्रकृतेर्स्वभावा
प्रकृतिस्वभावात्
करोमि यद्यत्
करोमि यद्यत्
सकलं परस्मै
सकलं परस्मै
नारायणेति
नारायणेति
समर्पयामि,
समर्पयामि।
नारायणेति
नारायणेति
समर्पयामि,
समर्पयामि।
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 So it is not this, as you realize the self, inner self, as you move closer to your inner self, your outer actions become change, our outer actions change. You become more service oriented, more loving, more peaceful, more compassionate. Then the expression of that inner quality comes in the form of art, literature, music, dance. The spirituality gets expressed through various ways. In the form of sculpture, the beautiful sculpture what we have in various temples is an expression of deeper spiritual realization. The poetry, the beauty of poetry, the music, bhajans composed by many of the saints is an expression of the spirituality. The beautiful art forms is an expression of spirituality. So much of spiritual literature is an expression of spirituality. Music, dance, Bharatanatyam is a great expression of spirituality. The same thing happens from Zen masters in Japan. You can see Zen art, Zen music, Zen poetry. So make this function successful. Many of the Atma Jyotis have participated in various ways. Their own talents they have brought to make this possible. It is not possible with me as an individual. All the Atma Jyotis have joined together to make it happen. So just want to remember some of the Atma Jyotis who have contributed to make this happen. So for the book, many people have worked.
My pronouns, I got a small amount of paper made. Every week, Light of Self Foundation has its satsang in Jayanagar on Thursdays. From next week onwards, we'll have a satsang at Ananda Hall at Gandhi Bazaar, opposite to Adyar Anand Bhavan, above Bada Showroom, third floor. and every week we'll be having a session between 6:30 to 8 o'clock. 6:30 to 7 will be bhajan. 7 to 8 we'll be having satsang. So that is the change in the venue, please note. And it is open for all. The satsang is open for all and we request you to participate. Apart from that, after this program is, as the program is getting over, we'll have the Yajna Prasada being given by our Guruji. So we request the guests to come over first and then followed by the Atma Jyotis. The Mahaprasada will be served out of this hall and we also request the guests to first go, allow the guests to be taking the Mahaprasada first and then followed by those Atma Jyotis who stay in faraway places and then we can join together. And in the end, I request few of our Atma Jyotis who can be possible to stay back to help us out to clear this hall, because we need to clear this hall and give it to them the way it was given to us, and we need help, and we request the Atma Jyotis whomever it's possible to stay back. So I'd like to hand it over back to Uma.
So this is just to say the amount of effort which has gone in this. There are people who work on literature. Every month magazines, e-magazine is published every month, 15th of every month. There are books which are published, and many Atma Jyotis, Uma, Prema, and Gayatri, Komal, Smita, Murli, Subbu, Arun have worked day in and day out to make this book publish the books. So just the reason I am telling you is that I am encouraging to publish more books in next year. Okay, then we have people, Rekha, Murli, Uma, Babu Prabhu, working for Kannada books. Then magazine people are working, Subbu and others. There are a lot of people who are working on the transcription and editing. Uma, Gayatri, Komal, Murli. Then Smita, Subbu, Vasant Shanai, Vaishali Bukeri, Prema Mysore, and Divya and Arun. Next. Then there is art. There are artists, good artists. Subbu, Katyayani, Murli. They work through creating art forms. And there are our technologists, great technologists, Vaishali, Dhawal, and Subbu, who are working on the website, web design, and communication. There are many people who are working in music, various aspects of music. Rama Gamini, Maitreyi Kashyap, Shubha Prabhu, Vidya Shanai, Divya, MG Pai, Anand, Yamuna Kamath. Through organization, there are many people who have organized this event. Vasant Shanai, Babu Prabhu, Murli Krishna, Srinivas Murthy, Anand, Arjun, Divya, Arun. And many of the Atma Jyotis have volunteered to make this successful. So there are a lot of teaching activity takes place, teaching in terms of Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Vedanta, children. Many teaching activity takes place everyday basis, sometimes weekly basis. So Maitreyi Kashyap is here, who is working towards teaching of Bhagavad Gita. Babu Prabhu, teaching of Bhagavad Gita, bhajans. Murli Krishna, teaching children. Prema Mysore, Vedanta. Gayatri, teaching children. Uma, teaching children. Rekha, Prasad, teaching yoga. Komal Pukale, teaching yoga. Komal and Prasad have been teaching yoga. Komal is working in Australia and teaching yoga. Then service to the human beings in terms of orphanages and children. Both Rekha and Uma are doing a great service. So this idea of this is that to show that this is not a Prabhu or one person individual. There are many people who are working here. And this activity, I request all the Atma Jyotis to participate and contribute to this in whatever way you can do, through art, literature, music and dance, so that we can reach many more people and take the message of spirituality. Thank you. So we'll distribute the prasadam now, and for the guests can come first, and then we'll have Atma Jyotis. Okay. Atma Jyotis. You can sit there. You can sit there.
Vaishali, bananas. Two bags are there. 2 bags.
Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hari Narayana, Hari Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Swami Narayana, Satya Narayana, Satya Narayana, 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 Hare Narayana,
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 నారాయణ హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
సత్యనారాయణ
నారాయణ
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 హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
హరి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ
స్వామి నారాయణ